Hi kids, I'm your teacher Sabiha, and today we will have a very fantastic story, Nick Jr. series Dora the Explorer, and the name is Dance to the Rescue. See what's inside. This is adapted by the Laura Driscoll based on the original teleplay by Eric Weiner and illustrated by Dave Akins. As you can see the title page, and it tells us about Dora. She seems Dora, maybe. And what's there's a one bottle, maybe the inside animal need to rescue, and all other are dancing. So basically it is all about dance to the rescue. So what is inside? We have to go through that. I will read for you. Okay, one day Swiper the fox found a magic bottle. Inside the bottle was a dancing Olaf. Olaf is dancing inside the bottle, who was determined to get out. But how? Maybe I can trick this fox into freeing me, the elf said to himself, and he knew that whoever opened the bottle would be magically pulled inside to take his place. Oh. So, who will gonna do that? So the elf begged Swiper to let me out. I need lots of room to dance, he said. Oh, poor guy, said Swiper. He is stuck in there. So Swiper opened the bottle. Poof! The dancing elf was free. See? But now Swiper was trapped inside. That's not good. Then the elf went dancing off into the forest, leaving Swiper all alone. Uh-oh. Oh man, moaned Swiper. I need help. Maybe Dora and Boots can help me. Boots and Dora. Swiper made his way to Dora and Boots and told them how the dancing elf had tricked him, and now I am stuck in here, he cried. So sad. You poor fox, said Dora. She started to open the bottle, but Swiper stopped her. If you open the bottle, you will go in, he already warned. Don't worry, Dora said. We will find a way to get you out of this bottle, I promise. Just then, the bottle began to shake. It was dancing and singing too. The bottle told Dora, Boots, and Swiper that they would have to win one big wish. What it can be? Where can we win one big wish? Asked Boots. If you make it to the castle and win the king's dance contest, you will win one big wish, the bottle explained. Then could wish Swiper out of the bottle. Yeah! This is right way. Dora, Boots, and Swiper set off for the castle right away. To get there, first they had to get through the pyramid, which was guarded by the red marching ants. Oh, can you see? Red marching ants. They wouldn't let Dora, Boots, and Swiper pass until they marched like marching ants. Will you help Dora, Boots, and Swiper march like marching ants? Left, right, left, right, left, right. Yeah, you can do that, I know. The ants were impressed and they let Dora, Boots, and Swiper pass further along the path. Some wiggling spider blocked their way. You can see, oh my goodness, they are all around. They wouldn't let Dora, Boots, and Swiper through until they wiggled like a wiggling spider. Is that easy to do that? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your elbows, wiggle your wrists, dance like a wiggling spider. Can you do that with me? Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle your elbows, wiggle your wrist. Dance like a wiggling spider. Maybe they will now allow them to pass. And the spider let them pass. Oh, a big clap. Finally, Dora, Boots, and Swiper met up with some sneaky snakes. The snakes wouldn't let them pass until they danced like a snake. So Dora, Boots, and Swiper slithered and slid like the sneaky snakes. Put your hands over your head, move them side to side like snake. Slither like a sneaky snake. Can you do that? Yes, it's so easy. And the snakes let them pass. They made it through the pyramid. Next, Dora, Boots, and Swiper made their way to the ocean. There they met up with the pirate's pig and his pirate's piggies. We need to sail across the oceans to win one big wish and free Swiper, Dora explained to them. But what happens? We will end the story over here, and the next episode I will read for you people next time. Till then, bye bye.